second type of the matrix is called the column matrix. So a matrix having only one column is called the column matrix. For example, 1 2 3. Here we have 3 rows, 1 2 3 rows and one column. So here we have 2 rows and one column. Here you have 3 rows and one column. So you have to focus on column. When I say column matrix, it should have only one column. Now next is called the square matrix. Square, as you know the meaning of square in geometry, the square means all sides are equal. So in same way in matrix also, if the number of rows and the number of columns are same, in a matrix if the number of rows and number of columns are same, it is called the square matrix. Here we have 2 rows and 2 columns, so this is square matrix. Here we have 1 row and 1 column, this is also square matrix. Here we have 3 rows and 3 columns, so this is also the square matrix. Now next type of matrix is called the zero matrix. Zero, or it is also called the null matrix. Now zero, so if all the elements of the matrix are 0, if each and every elements of a matrix are 0, we are not bothered of how many rows, how many columns are there, but if all the elements of matrix are 0, it is called the zero matrix or null matrix. Now you have to be careful. Zero matrix or null matrix is denoted by capital letter O. Okay. Now next matrix is very important matrix, and it is called the identity matrix. It is also called the unit matrix. So now identity or unit matrix. Now to be identity or unit matrix is it has to be a square matrix. So identity matrix is first a square matrix in which diagonal elements are unit or 1 and all other elements are 0. I repeat, diagonal elements are 1 and all other elements are 0. It has to be square matrix. Out here we have 1 2 3, 3 rows and 3 columns, 1 2 3. So this is square matrix. Out here we have 2 rows and 2 columns. So diagonal elements are 1 and all other elements are 0. When I say diagonal in this matrix is from the top left to bottom right. This is a diagonal. Now these are some of the special type of the matrix. Identity matrix is denoted by capital letter I. So whenever while solving the problem, if you see capital letter I, it means a identity matrix or a unit matrix. Now next topic is equal matrix. Now equal, the word itself tell you what we are going to study now. So equal matrix. Suppose two matrices, there are two matrices A and B. Now two matrices A and B are said to be equal, written as A is equals to B if and only if A and B are of same order, A and B. So two matrices, if two matrices are given to you and if you want to check whether they are equal or not, first criteria to check whether they are equal or not is they have to be of same order. Order must be same. And second criteria is the corresponding elements should be equal. Okay, so for two matrices to be equal, their order has to be same and their corresponding elements must be equal. For example, matrix A is 2 3 minus 4 5 and matrix B is 2 3 minus 4 5. First criteria, we order of this matrix is 2 by 2. Order of this matrix is also 2 by 2. So, and the elements out here is 2 3 minus 4 5. Element out here is 2 3 minus 4 5. So they are exactly same. So therefore these two matrices are equal matrix.